Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, typically when you have a strong Arctic high, it's sunny, but it's very cold. Now, today's Arctic high is called a dirty high pressure because it's trapped some moisture near the surface. So you can see in the gray here, we've got this kind of fragmented low stratus cloud deck, and boy, you can kind of see it pivoting around in a clockwise fashion around the high. This is going to make a very difficult temperature forecast tonight, because where it stays clear for the longest period of time, you could get down to 0 very quickly, perhaps a few degrees below that with freezing fog, where you keep the clouds at 9 or 10. So a wide variety of temperature. 14 right now at the station, 17 Fowler, 16 Rensselaer, and 21 at Crawfordsville. The fragmented cloud deck may decrease a little bit towards the later evening hours as temperatures fall to around 10 by 11 o'clock with a very light wind. And then, again, where you stay clear, some patchy freezing fog overnight. Then, we watch for the potential of at least some light freezing rain developing as we get into Wednesday night. We'll have more on that here in a second. But in the meantime, again, tonight, we are kind of fragmented with some clouds, patchy freezing fog, a wide variety of temperatures. Tomorrow, pretty consistent, area-wide, everyone in the 20s. I think any clouds will pull away. We'll see a decent amount of sunshine for a while, but notice from the southwest, some high and mid-level clouds start to stream up here towards tomorrow night. And once those really thicken up, we'll actually start to see some light freezing rain by Wednesday night around here. So most of tomorrow's looking good, but once we get towards Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, light freezing rain moving in. So there's a big East Coast storm here, but this is the moisture plume, and this is the storm system that will combine and bring light freezing rain to the area, and then much warmer weather and rain by the weekend. So Wednesday night, a little bit of icing as moisture overrides the viewing area, and this could produce a light glazing here over our northern counties, perhaps over 1/10 of an inch or 1/8 of an inch of ice Wednesday night here in the north. Once you head from Monticello over here to near Logansport, Peru, north of Remington, there could be a little 1/10 of an inch of glaze that night. And then finally, Burlington, Kokomo, Lafayette area, and Fowler, perhaps 500ths, pushing 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain, and a little less as you head southward. And then it changes to all rainfall, liquid rainfall, as we get into Thursday and into Friday. And by the time this is over Friday night, late Friday night, 1 to 1.25 inches of rain, Lafayette, Frankfort, down to Crawfordsville, and the rest of the area, generally 1/2 to 1 inch. So we may have some minor flooding issues on New Year's Eve as the rain passes through. Clearing, some freezing fog tonight, generally down to about 6 degrees, 25 increasing clouds, and warmer tomorrow, winds out of the southwest. Again, Wednesday night, a light glazing of ice as freezing rain moves in, some rain and fog on Thursday, and finally, for Friday, rain, breezy, foggy, warmer, 53, again, up to 1.25 inches of rain, and finally over next weekend, highs upper 30s. Very mild weather pattern.